Convergent Water Controls has delivered engineered water treatment control solutions across Australia for over 25 years. Built on precision, driven by discipline, designed for performance. From our purpose-built facility, we design, assemble and support advanced dosing and control systems for commercial, industrial and municipal applications. More than 25,000 serialised products manufactured, over 10,000 line items available and ready to support our customers. Our solutions include cooling tower dosing systems, boiler water monitoring and control, water controllers, analyzers and sensors, swimming pool dosing systems, chemical dosing and transfer pumps, level water and flow meters, remote monitoring and control via our managed online portals, digichem+.com and EMEC Nimbus. We also engineer and manufacture customised panel and skid-mounted systems, all built in-house, from 3D modelling and precision routing to structured assembly workflows and complete plug-and-play packaged solutions. Water connects in, water flows out. We help you control everything in between. Every system is built within a disciplined production environment. Numbered bays, structured shelving, QR code-based product information and support, controlled dispatch workflows. This is engineered organisation, not improvisation.
Hi, I'm Larry Naransky, founder and co-owner of Convergent Water Controls. Our company, Convergent Water Controls, also known as CWC, are distributors of exclusive brands such as Digichem+, EMEC, Argol, Dice, Anderson Hauser Sensors and Mixtron. In addition to stock holding those products, our niche in the market is assembly of standard and customized bespoke systems which we assemble to customers' requirements. And we follow very strict procedures in accordance with ISO 9001 quality, which we're accredited for, as well as all the other ISO standards for work health and safety and environmental responsibility.
Behind every system is a dedicated technical and engineering team.
My name's Alex. I'm the Technical and Service Manager at Convergent Water Controls. Everyone in the Convergent Water Controls team brings their own knowledge and experience to what we provide. It's what drives our business and keeps our customers happy.
My name's Jared, I'm the warehouse manager and I've been working at CWC for over 19 years. The biggest thing with our business is our customer service. That is what keeps our customers coming back.
With sales and support teams across Sydney, Newcastle, Melbourne and Brisbane, CWC delivers national coverage with local expertise. Designed with precision, built with discipline, supported with expertise. CWC, a professional company you would be proud to deal with.